Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by opening your browser and going to OneDrive. Live. To begin. Sign in with your Microsoft account email and password. After signing in, click the app launcher or waffle icon and choose OneDrive to open the web app. Wait for the files list to load completely so navigation appears. Look at the left navigation bar where Recycle Bin appears near the bottom. If the left pane is collapsed, click the hamburger menu to expand it and reveal Recycle Bin. To find Recycle Bin from your desktop, first open the OneDrive desktop client icon. The icon lives in the taskbar or the system tray on Windows and the menu bar on Mac. Right-click the OneDrive icon and choose View Online to open the web interface in your default browser. Wait briefly for the Browser tab to load your OneDrive contents. In the web interface, click Recycle Bin in the left pane to view any deleted files or folders. When you open the Recycle Bin, you can recover or permanently delete items now. Select a file and click Restore to recover items to their original location quickly. If you want a free space, select items and click Delete to permanently remove them right away. Use the checkbox at the top to select multiple files for bulk actions. Remember that files stay in Recycle Bin for 30 days for personal accounts. Work and school accounts may.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.